Why is contouring mandatory? Have you ever been amazed by looking at the changing shape of your friend's face when coming back from a parlor, or the change in the bride's face? This is not but a simple technique called contouring. Contouring in makeup is like sculpting your face. It adds dimension to your face by using lightener or darker shades than a actual skin tone. It is used to create an effect of shadow and lighten. It is just used to create the effect of shadow and lighten. It is a very virtual part of the makeover and hence can be called as mandatory also. This gives an ideal shape to your face by applying products on places wherever necessary and creating illusion of an oval face. This turns a bigger face into a thinner and slimmer one and hence enhances the beauty and the effect of the makeup. This can also be used to specify design as part of the face in the way you want. For example, with the help of contour, a broad and flat nose appears to be well defined and shaped. This gives an overall satisfaction to the makeup. Apart from this, this can also highlight your cheekbones and gives a well defined jawline, both of which can be an essential part of the all over makeover. Contoured to enhance the beauty and highlights the bone that you wish to. It is very useful for photography. It helps in giving you the perfect you that you might be looking for so long. It gives a personal satisfaction and self-confidence to the individual about their looks and helps them get the ideal look that they desire forever. Therefore, contouring enhances the beauty of the makeup. Makeup without contour is like a cake with a cherry on the top. Hence, contouring is mandatory part of the makeup and should never be skipped. This is for today from my side. Signing off. See you in the next video. If you like the video, press a like button.